Hi and welcome to the Faucetaria.com review channel. In this video, we will show you a really special model. We are gonna show you the Ipow IPO116 in the present era where things are more practical and less virtual. People need a life that has peace and happiness in it. People do a lot to gain peace, and mostly they incline towards their hobbies. If gardening is one of your hobbies, then a garden hose is a must-have for you. The Ipow solid brass body backyard 2-way Y-valve garden hose connector splitter 7 is a boon for you if you. Gone are the days when your old garden hose used to function for a single cause. Now with the new splitter you can always do multitasking for your garden. The Ipow IPO116 is made of one piece of solid brass that ensures durability and sustainability over any feature that you would be delighted to have. Now you don't need to buy some splitters now and then. You will be getting the liberty and life to use these tools for how long you want them. Also, the durability quotient can save a lot of your money by preventing you to invest in any other average options available in the market. The best part of this splitter is that it is one size and fits all faucets and garden hoses. The splitter is accommodated with easy turn swivel connector on hose adapter that is an ideal solution for every single person who believes in doing the work quickly yet efficiently. It can be rapidly attached to the standard spigot or hose connection, and no wrench or pliers are needed with the full black grip. Thus the splitter can fit all fitting needs without any customization. You will be stunned with the eco-friendly solid brass construction, and heavy-duty performance of the metallic finish is a perfect match for every place that you want it to fit. Easy control and simple two-way control can not only help you to use the splitter efficiently but can also provide you with the self-confidence to use any product without any trouble. Yes, the product is better than the rest of the previous versions. The sole reason for this is almost every new technology that is invented is done to replace old ones, and so it is better. It can last from season to season without rusting or getting corroded. The hose connector supports up to 0.8 miles per hour water pressure and so will not break down easily. With the splitter, you can efficiently split one spigot into 2 water sources or more. Thus the entire task will not only be easy for you but will also take less time as well. With the ultimate future of garden hose, the splitter can run 2 or even 4 tubes from one spigot. Though you will need 3 connectors at best if you can perform at your peak with a limited range of tools, then what's the harm in that? Are you worried about the fact that what if you aren't fortunate enough to have a splitter that won't last forever? Have you been betrayed by your old tools and are having second thoughts about investing a single buck in this splitter? If yes, then here is some good news for you. The Ipow solid brass body backyard 2-way Y-valve garden hose connector splitter 7 comes with a money-back guarantee of 60 days that will be guarding your back even if when your splitter fails miserably. Thus you won't need to lament over the broken piece because nevertheless, this splitter can always be a delight to work with in a variety of instances. The customers are going insane over this small tool. There won't be any significant issues with the handling and management of the simple appliance initially as well as at the later stage, making it the best option for a pro or a newbie. Customers are in absolute love with this product. The splitter has all the flares that anyone would ever want in any tool that they have paid for. You can thus use it for any purpose that you want. Without paying for high prices, you can always expect a high performance result from this durable splitter that can be coupled with splendid results. There are all the necessary features in this splitter accommodates. This splitter is the one that one could ever want. The material in Ipow IPO116 is durable, and you won't get to see your splitter being dented, rusted, or broken every time you use it. In a world where everyone is moving so fast that they have forgotten their own shadow and want to make the most of their money, the all-new Ipow IPO116 is a boon. Some people want to switch from their crappy splitters or garden hoses to something quick and efficient. This splitter is the ideal choice for them. It is compact, stylish, and yet practical. What else could anyone wish? The easy accessibility, low energy consumption, and quiet running make it an ideal alternative for everyone who wants their garden hose or water supply device to be an easily accessible and deliberately efficient system. The only thing that you need to get worried about is that you don't spend a lot of time with your splitter. You will love the looks and will be pleased with the efficiency that this product delivers. Get one for yourself, and you will never regret about a single penny that you have spent.